deployment is in progress. So my virtual machine is still setting all the information. So my virtual machine setting all the information is still. So guys, deployment is completed. Deployment is completed. So test is also completed. So I want to connect this virtual machine uh, by remote connection. So I just want to copy this IP address and go to on connection. You can simply go to connection and download RDF. If you want to remote desktop connection or SSH solution, so if you click on this and allow connection, so enter your username PWS, enter your password. So now it's connecting my remote desktop server. So my remote desktop server is connecting. So this is my Windows machine. I installed Windows Server 2012 and let's see how much storage I get, how much storage, internal storage, or how much uh, these disk spaces I get on this. So guys, so Windows Server 2012 are good. So I want to allow this. This is starting my server. This is my machine. अरे हाँ. So this is my I storage. I will get 128 GB. So this is my storage I get. Okay. So thank you so much friends for watching. So I will continue. So guys, this is my server I have created, and you can see also spaces what I how much space I get. So you can see how much space I get. 107 space I get, and what type of server I have. You can also check and track. So this is my computer information. Intelligent 2 GB RAM, 64 GB for the system and storage and all these things. So I got this information, these things. Okay, so I got these things. So let me. So guys, I am going to show you how to install an IIS on this Windows virtual machine. So go to uh, server manager and add role and features and click on next. Click on role based selected features. Click on next. Select IIS. Okay, so this is a web server IIS. Okay, then go to next, then select these features, select all these features and select all these features